Today we will be unboxing and test driving the Hennessey Venom GT RC car by Fastlane RC. This RC car can go up to 80 miles per hour at scale speed. It is a 1:8 scale, and the details on this car are very realistic. It is a lot of fun to drive, and if you'd like to get your own, check out the link in the description. The box comes with all the batteries in it fully charged so you can play right after opening it. The car has two on modes, one with sound and one without sound. The front lights turn on when driving and turn off when you stop. When you stop the car, the back red lights turn on and then turn off when you drive. Now, let's go test drive it. The car is very quick and lots of fun. You can turn very quickly by sliding around, but it does require some practice. In the future, we will have a more in-depth review of this RC, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell afterwards to turn on notifications.
Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.